Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.